My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Hyundai I800. This vehicle has done just under 64,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 8 seats in total. To the left of our screen, we can access radio, media and Bluetooth, and to the right we can access our menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control, as well as heated seats on either side. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.